Normally when I get to the gym, I go straight to the warm-up area, normally do some dynamic warm-ups, and then if I want to, I throw in some cardio to also get more of a warm-up. And then I will start off with compound exercises and then switch into isolated exercises. And then normally I finish off with some static stretching. I think that strength is different for everybody. I believe that everybody's bodies are different, and I feel like strength changed to me because sometimes it's not about the weight on the bar, and a lot of times it's what your body can handle and what's best for your muscles. Strength training is for everybody. I feel like everybody needs to be strong, and it shows up in your day-to-day life, and I believe that as women, being mothers and the woman role, strength aids in that. I feel like I wasted a lot of years seeing not that much progress because I wasn't prioritizing protein, and the second that I did, the progress was astronomically different than when I first started. I love creatine. I think that there is a stigma on creatine, and I have no idea why, because it has so many benefits, especially for women. It is great for muscle growth and recovery, and it's all around just a great supplement for everybody. Creatine has many benefits for your brain and your focus, so having that in with the protein is amazing. Honestly, I have seen an even better growth with plant protein, and I've had a better experience, not just because I do have the whey allergy, but because it actually feels like it's fueling me mentally and physically. I feel like you're getting a lot more vitamins and nutrients and minerals. I lost both of my parents to cancer, and my husband made it a priority to make sure that we have no additives or anything that could cause that in my diet, and so that is amazing because there are a lot of proteins with additives in it. Honestly, it keeps it simple, especially with a protein like this. I believe that discipline is an incredible trait to have, and even if you don't want to show up to the gym, it's still something that when you go, you're not gonna ever end your workout and say, yeah, I regret that I went and worked out and bettered myself. You can't fake strength is not just about the gym to me. I believe that you can't fake strength. It goes into your daily life. How easy is it for you to go upstairs? How easy is it for you to hold your kids when they get bigger? And how easy is life day to day because of how strong you are? And it really ties in to everything.